All right. Hello, everyone. It is time for basement fire alarm test 41. Today we got some devices up for you, so we'll go ahead and take a look at them. In the pull station spot, we have my Siemens MSM-K-WP weatherproof metal pull station under the stopper. As you can see right there, that is I don't think I've used the pull station down here yet. And the notification appliance I've chosen today does match this pull station, so let's go ahead and take a look at that too. And as you can see, for the notification appliance today, I have chosen to use one of my Faraday 2834 horn strobes. This is equivalent to the Siemens UMHU-MCS. It's a multi-candela model, and it is capable of sync, although right now I do not have it set up for that, as I do not have an external sync module to run this. So it's just running free run, so it's going to do 2-wire, no audible silence, code 3, 15 candela. I'm sure you know what these sound like, so you'll be hearing that today. It looks actually quite nice when it's flush mounted like this, so yeah, there it is. All right, let's pull the fire alarm. So, as I mentioned, it's a 2-wire device, so I don't have audible silence enabled for today. So we'll go ahead and reset the pull station. Finding keys is always a little bit difficult. Where did I put it? There it is. Yep. Focus. There we go. It takes a Siemens T45 key. It turns to the right and you push that little handle up. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the model in there. And there it is. Make sure that handle's all the way up and put the cover back on. Alright, so now that the pull station is reset, we can go and reset the entire fire alarm system. Alright. So that is the end of Basement Fire Alarm Test 41. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And also be sure to check out all the links in my description. That includes my Discord, my eBay, Instagram. So, yeah. And I forgot to mention my Groupme. I am still the only one in the community who uses Groupme to communicate with other enthusiasts. So if you're interested, all of those links are in my description. So, with that said, thank you and have a great day.